It's a typical Monday morning, and Jane is getting ready for work. She wakes up at 7 a.m. and makes herself a cup of coffee, using the coffee maker she bought on sale at a thrift store. She doesn't have time to make breakfast, so she packs a lunch from leftovers in the fridge. Last night's vegetarian stir-fry. Jane lives in a small apartment in the city, so she walks to work to save on gas and reduce her carbon footprint. On the way, she stops at the local farmer's market to pick up some fresh produce for the week. She knows the farmer who grows the food, and they always give her a good deal because she's a regular customer. At work, Jane is a graphic designer for a small marketing agency. She loves her job, but she's always looking for ways to save money. Instead of buying lunch from a nearby restaurant, she eats the stir-fry she packed from home. She also takes advantage of her employer's discount on public transportation, so she can take the bus or train instead of driving. After work, Jane has a yoga class at the community center. She signed up for a discounted membership because she's a senior citizen, and the classes are much cheaper than at a fancy studio. She also carpools with a friend to save on gas. When she gets home, Jane makes a quick and healthy dinner using ingredients she bought at the farmer's market. She's not a great cook, but she's learned how to make a few simple and delicious meals. She also keeps a well-stocked pantry and fridge, so she always has something to eat on hand. After dinner, Jane spends some time relaxing at home. She reads a book, listens to a podcast, or watches a movie she downloaded from the library. She loves going out, but she knows it can be expensive, so she tries to save money by staying in. Before bed, Jane takes a few minutes to plan for the next day. She writes down any errands or appointments, so she doesn't forget anything, and can avoid wasting time and money. She also sets a budget for the week, so she can stick to her financial goals. Jane is a frugal living person, and she knows how to enjoy life without spending a lot of money. She's learned how to save money on groceries, transportation, entertainment, and more, and she's happy with her simple but fulfilling lifestyle.